everyone, welcome to Marilen Styles. My name is Marilen Faustino Montenegro, and today I am going to be reviewing these two products which I got, and I'm really so eager to try it because lately my skin has been showing a lot of stress and a lot of dryness. So the first product, which is recommended to be used during the evening, is called Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum. As we grow old, the collagen in our skin diminishes, and so we need to replenish that so that we can keep the wrinkles at bay and keep the dryness at bay. So what this does is that it hydrates and it moisturizes the skin. I really love the packaging. It really looks so simple, and it's very much me. It's my branding. So let me see. It says, after cleansing and toning, apply 1 to 2 drops onto the face and neck. Use gentle patting motions to promote absorption. And it's safe to use both at morning and in the evening. Okay, so I've already cleaned my face. I've taken all the makeup out, and I'm going to try this. And let's see if it really hydrates my skin visibly. So I'm just gonna put it on my fingertips. 1, 2. Oh, it's really, it's like water. So gently pat it around the face. Okay, I feel like I wanna put more than 1 to 2 drops. It has a really nice cooling effect, but I wanna put a little more, so. Okay, some on my forehead, and then some on the neck. So it's really nice. The texture is just like water, and I can see how 1 to 2 drops will go a long way. Now this other product is also something that looks so pretty. The packaging is nice. It says it is illuminating Rosegold serum, and I think I will like this a little bit more because it's serum. I found this a little bit too light, but I'm sure that it will do wonders, right, for my skin. The Rosegold serum is cruelty-free, paraben-free, which I like. If you've watched my other vlogs, or if you've read my blog and you've watched my other vlogs and my Instagram, you will know that I hardly use anything that contains parabens. It's also vegan, and it's made in the US. So what it has is it has aloe juice, it has papaya extract, it has green papaya, it has pineapple extract, and so it also has the hyaluronic acid. It's so hard to pronounce. There, look at the bottle. It's so pretty, right? Anyway, directions. After cleansing and toning, apply 1 to 2 drops again on the face. Focus on the high points of the face, anywhere you want a pretty and soft glow. So apparently, this adds some sort of highlight. So things that you want to highlight would be here, and maybe a little bit of here. But I'm gonna put this all over. So this is really a serum, and it's thick. One, 2, and just cause I like more, I'm gonna put 3. There. I'm gonna put it here, here, maybe some here. I can really feel that it moisturizes my skin, and it's something that I can wear under makeup because it's sort of like a highlighter. Can you see that this part is a little bit more like shiny and highlighted, right? So overall, I'm really pleased with the texture of these products, and I'm excited to see the lasting effect of it and what it will do to change my skin always remember that we need to take care of our face. We need to take care of our skin, especially now that we are getting older. You know, it's good to be conscious about the hydration and the fine lines and the wrinkles. So we need everything to counter that, right? And I love these. Thanks for joining me in today's episode of Marilen Styles. Stay tuned for more beauty product reviews, tips on the home, design, and inspiration for your everyday life. Bye! Like and subscribe!